In this video I'm going to tell you how much Kajabi costs and how you can get it for free. Hello, my name is Fredrik and I'm at the Rapid Video Marketer. If you want to learn how to create videos very fast, visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Well, you may be wondering, how much does Kajabi cost? Well, I have Kajabi for my business and I am also a Kajabi affiliate. That means that when somebody signs up for Kajabi through my link, I get a commission when they are paid members. And right now I have more than three affiliates that have signed up for me, so I'm using Kajabi free. I even make money using Kajabi. But from the beginning you need to pay, you need to use the system, and when you refer 3 or more people you are using Kajabi for free. So let's look at the pricing plan like this. This is not the right site. Here is the pricing. So as you can see, you start with the basic, that's $119 a month up to $319 a month. So you can use the basic. I have the growth plan. That means that I have one main website, but I have also one website identical to my main website that I can use for another project. So that means that you can use 2 different projects for this growth plan. And in the pro plan you can use even more. And I mean, this is yearly, billed yearly, annually. And if you pay by month, you pay $199 a month or $149 a month. But it's free for you to choose what plan you would like to have. If you sign up below on my link here, you will get 28 days of trial, so you can really try it. And if you're not satisfied after these 28 days, you can cancel it without problems. So next scene, end. Yes, this is the end. This is my system I have here. I click end and this scene comes up. If you want to learn more how to use this fantastic program called eCam Live as a rapid video marketer platform, visit rapidvideomarketer.com and I teach you even more. Till next time, bye.